Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. This one is only using round piping tips. It's very simple but very sweet. Perfect for any occasion where you would say congratulations. Let's get started.
As usual, we start out with a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. Then I put buttercream in these fun piping tubes. I'm using yellow, pink, and white buttercream, but I also have a little bit of navy blue off camera. All of these have round piping tips. The pink buttercream has the largest tip, yellow and white have smaller tips, and the navy blue is a very small round tip. I start out by piping a border around the bottom. This is just a squeeze out a blob and then pull to the side, kind of the round piping tip equivalent of a shell border. Then I make a border around the top of the cake. This time I'm just piping a dab and lifting up. I know they leave a little point at the top, but after I'm finished, I dab down the tips with my fingertips to make the border rounded. Now I'm using an impression that spells out congratulations. Don't mind the food coloring under my nails. I gently press the impression into the buttercream, then using the navy blue with a small round piping tip, I trace the letters. I think it turned out pretty good, a lot better than freehand. Then I took the pink buttercream with a larger round piping tip and piped some blobs into the corners and pulled them downward to look kind of like balloons. I did this in every corner. Then between the balloons, I piped some yellow buttercream and blobs pulled toward the center to form flowers. Then I made strings for the balloons with the navy blue as well as centers for the flowers. You can add more or less balloons or flowers as you would like for your occasion. This is a simple yet pretty cake that anyone would love to get for a celebration. Congratulations on the promotion, engagement, birthday, new job, new house, new baby, whatever it may be. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.